Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by ensuring access and permissions, grant the Jira work management license, and invite teammates. Next, pick a template that matches your workflow, task, project management, or process, because templates define fields and automation. Once done, set a project key and privacy, then create essential columns. To do in progress, done. Add 3-5 sample tasks immediately so you can iterate visually. This gets you from 0 to actionable board items and helps reveal missing fields or permissions. You now deep dive into the core. Tailor the workflow to real handoffs by adding statuses and transitions with clear conditions. Make sure to create custom fields like due date, priority, and owner, and use field context so only relevant projects show them. Then implement automations. Assign tasks when status changes, notify watchers on comments, and set recurring rules like auto-close after 7 days of inactivity. These steps reduce manual work, keep information consistent, and speed team alignment. You finish by creating dashboards and reports that surface cycle time, throughput, and overdue tasks so stakeholders see progress. Make handoffs explicit, add checklists, link blocking issues, and schedule regular review cadences to close loops. Then archive completed tasks and tidy fields to prevent clutter. If something goes wrong, check permissions first. Most view or edit problems stem from project roles or issue security. Adjust role memberships and field contexts, then reindex if field changes still don't appear.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.